Hey everybody, what's up? This is episode 6 of how I do that trick. And today's video, or I should say based on the sun setting, this evening's video is going to be jump through. A jump through is anything that have to do with you clearing an obstacle. So take this for instance. Today we are on Robinson Road and this is where I like to do my jump. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab onto this, shoot my legs through. It's kind of like that parkour move that David Bell did in B-13 movie. So this one, I know that when it comes to my tutorials, it seems like I do more of a free running gymnast type style, but it's just because there's a lot of videos on the basics, like slides and stops, crossovers and things like that. I just want to do something different, you know, bring something new to the table. So, like I said, this evening's video is the jump through. And the first thing that I did when I was first learning it was seeing if I could just jump up on this. And I can do that. But what I wanted to do was jump straight through it. And you have this much distance right here to clear. So as soon as I jump up, I gotta push my body out and land on the other side. After I got comfortable, I then put one arm down, one arm up, and I just fed my legs through it like this. Skate up to it slowly, bend my knees, hand down, hand up, shoot through. The next step is to put two hands up and just pull my weight up. You don't want to shoot through first because that is going to be basically the last step, or the step before the last, because the last is basically landing without hurting yourself. Go at it, jump, hand up. You just swing onto it. Now, at this point, I can see that basically I could do it. All I need is just a little more speed and a little more spring in my push. So, let's go do that right now. Now I got to show you the landing part. Two arms, jump through, land. As you saw, when I landed with my knees, because jumping through like that, your body is in this elevated motion. If you were to hold that, when you land completely on the ground like that. That's not what you want. So when you bounce through, you make sure bend your knees upon landing. Remember, in skating, the most stable position for skaters is from the knees. The lower you are to the ground, the more stability you have. Always remember that, skaters. Thank you for watching. And like I said, I know that my videos are more like parkour free running based on inlines, but the way I see it, if I could do it, I could teach it. Hey, that sounds like another good quote. Nah, nothing's better than saying